Here at ASCO 2014, we have with us Dr. Omid Hamid from the Angeles Clinic and Research Institute in Los Angeles. Thanks for being with us, sir.
Thank you for having me.
So you have a phase 1b multicenter trial. Can you give us an overview of this?
Right, this is a combination therapy with an oncolytic therapy, which is T-VEC, and an immunotherapy checkpoint inhibitor, which is ipilimumab. This is the first time these two therapies have been put together in combination, and we're presenting the initial data from the first 18 patients treated with this combination with metastatic melanoma.
So what results have you found, and what do you think this means for those patients?
The first 18 patients, we saw a 56% response rate. That's a shrinkage less than 50% of tumor mass and a complete response. What we've seen is a fairly tolerable regimen with no dose-limiting toxicities. What we've also seen is the ability to combine two different types of immunotherapy for patient benefit. The response rate that we're seeing here, although early, is extremely promising when you take into consideration that single-agent response rates with ipilimumab alone are somewhere about 15%. What we have in this era of immunotherapies is a combination that seems to be fairly well tolerated with no significant dose-limiting toxicities, a combination that seems to be able to be translated to the community, and a combination that has a response rate that holds a lot of promise.
So what do you do next?
Well, next for this combination is an expansion and a randomization to talimogene with ipilimumab versus ipilimumab alone. That's a 100-person study. What happens next with T-VEC itself is a filing with the FDA based on the Optum data that showed progression-free survival advantage. What happens next is combinatorials with other immunotherapeutics. I think we're all eagerly awaiting a combination of T-VEC with a PD-1 antibody, and that's upcoming. And hopefully we'll continue to see the benefits and the high response rates.
Congratulations on the success you've had, and hope you have more of it going forward.
Thank you so much for having me.
Very good.